Hello friends, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Jerome Keys Music. So one of us said I should do a breakdown on Awele by Flavour. So I'm going to do the breakdown for you guys today. I'll be playing both the bass and the lead line. And I'm going to teach you how to play it. So it goes like this. This is the bass line. So the bass line is just so do fa la so ti fa la so do fa la so ti fa la, or you can use do fa la so ti fa la do fa la so ti fa la do fa la so ti fa la so do fa la so ti fa la. Then the lead line mi do sol la fa re ti sol la fa mi do sol la fa re ti sol la fa mi. You can use two chord. Mi do sol la fa re ti sol la fa mi do sol la fa re ti sol la fa. Once you are playing this mi do sol la fa, that's how the song started. Re ti sol la. Once you want to end it, re ti sol la fa mi. You understand? Mi do sol la fa re ti sol la fa mi do sol la fa re ti sol la fa mi. Then the song starts. You understand? That's how it goes. Just that is just how the song started. Then, you know what? Once the singer started singing the song, you can't be playing you can't be soloing it at the same time. So you have to be playing background melody. So, that is how it goes. You can see. That is the lead line. Once the singer is singing, so do mi so fa la re fa la so si re so fa la re fa la so do mi so fa la re fa la so si re so fa la re fa la so do mi so fa la re fa la so si re so fa la re fa la so do mi so fa la re fa la so si re so. You understand? But if you want to solo the song, it goes. Guys, re mi fa mi re Latin. Then do mi fa mi re Latin so far. You understand? Re mi fa mi re Latin. Then you go do mi fa mi re Latin so far. Mi re mi fa mi re Latin. Fa mi do mi fa mi re Latin so far. Then you go so mi fa re mi do re fa re mi do re mi fa mi re Latin. Then you go mayo kun so mi fa re mi do re again. Mayo kun na mi do re mi fa mi re Latin. Then once you just be playing that, Kainje, once you enter, Kainje be, Kain laba, it's Awele. Miso do miso, pala le pala, miso si miso, pala. Kainje, Kain laba, it's Awele. Let's go. Hope you get it. So, it's one of us that requested for this tutorial today. That is Awele by Flavour. That's why I'm doing it. So, if anyone, any breakdown you want me to do on any song, just comment the name of the song and who sang the song on my comment section. Now I'm going to try and do it. So please like this video, share, and also comment, and make sure you subscribe. Thanks, and God bless you guys.